for a career that makes a real difference, a career where you can help others live their very best lives? Then look no further than the Therapeutic Recreation Program at the University of Lethbridge.
Our program blends academic rigor with hands-on experience. You'll learn about the principles of recreation, therapeutic recreation interventions, and how to create inclusive and accessible programs for people of all abilities.
I love the practical focus of this program. We get to work with people in the community, learn about assistive technology, and develop valuable skills in program planning and evaluation.
We offer two distinct programs, on campus and online. Students can decide if you wish to come to Lethbridge to learn in person, or if you want the flexibility to pursue your education online while balancing other commitments.
On campus, you'll benefit from small class sizes, dedicated faculty, a supportive learning environment, and access to all the university's facilities and services in Lethbridge, like the Agility Innovation Zone, the Therapeutic Recreation Student Lab Space, the Career Bridge, and the Health Sciences Simulation Lab.
Or, if you prefer to learn online, you can opt to earn your degree without having to relocate.
The online program is incredibly flexible. I'm able to work full-time while completing my degree. The online courses are mostly asynchronous, meaning I can go at my own pace. My instructors are always available to answer questions.
We are committed to fostering a diverse and inclusive learning environment where all students feel valued and respected.
Our 15-week full-time internship is the cornerstone of our program. Under the supervision of a CTRS, you'll gain invaluable real-world experience, furthering your professional and clinical skills.
My internship experience was amazing. It gave me hands-on practical experience with the client population I hope to work with after graduation.
Graduates of our program are highly sought after in a variety of settings, including hospitals, rehabilitation centers, community agencies, and residential care homes.
Visit our website or contact us today to learn more about the Therapeutic Recreation Program at the University of Lethbridge. We look forward to welcoming you to our vibrant community.